A LUT, or lookup table, is essentially a filter which you add to your footage to give a preset colour look. To apply a LUT, first add the Lumetri Color effect by either dragging and dropping it from the effects browser, or go to Window and open the Lumetri Color panel and make sure you've clicked on your chosen clip in order to select it. Click to open the Creative tab and click on the Look option. This will display the range of LUTs in your library, or to choose a new LUT, click Browse. Locate your LUT and click Open. This will then apply the LUT to your chosen clip. You can adjust the intensity of your LUT and also use Lumetri Color to make additional changes. To apply a LUT to a range of clips or an entire project, simply create an adjustment layer and place it on the video layer above all of your footage. Apply Lumetri Color to this adjustment layer and add the LUT using the same method as before.